Hi there, so EJ here. Today's video is going to be all about Google Classroom. This is the main Google app that we will be using in our online classes. To get to Google Classroom, simply go to google.com. A basic reminder, make sure that your Google Workspace account is signed in. Then click on the Google App Drawer or Launcher on the right side of the browser. If you are not seeing the Classroom on the app drawer, you can simply type in the URL in the address bar. Type in classroom.google.com. Again, be sure to check that your Google Workspace account is logged in. Our advice to BDS kids is to bookmark the Classroom or bookmark all your classes separately. To bookmark the Classroom, simply go to the page and click on the three dots on the right side of the browser and hover your pointer on the bookmark. Then, click on Bookmark This tab. You can also click on the star icon on the address bar. Then click on Add Bookmark. You can simply use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-D. After doing this, a pop-up should show on the right side of the address bar. You can rename the bookmark so that you can be specific on the name. You can also add it in a folder for bookmarks so that it will be arranged. Once signed in, you may be prompted to identify yourself as a student or teacher. Please click on Student. You will then see various subject classes in your dashboards. In some cases, when subjects are not popping up, it means your teacher has not yet added you to the class. Invitations for joining a class can be found in your Google Mail inbox. Next, we'll move on to entering an actual classroom. In the Classroom, you will see three tabs up top: Stream, Classwork, and People. We'll discuss these tabs one by one. On Stream, you'll see all the updates from the class. For example, you can see the activities that has recently been posted. You can also see your teacher's announcements like upcoming deadlines for your activities. The Google Meet link for this class can be found on the page. It is located at the banner on the top left side of the Stream tab. There's also this upcoming or to do on the left side of the screen. You can see here all the activities and assignments you need to complete by a certain deadline. On To Do, you have three tabs as well: Assigned, Missing, and Done. On Assigned, you will see here all the activities that has been assigned to you. Next is Missing. In Missing, you will see here all the activities that you have not yet finished. And lastly, on Done, you will see here all your done assignments and activities. The next tab is Classwork. Now, Classwork is where you'll see all the assignments, quizzes, and materials that will be given to you by your teacher in an organized manner. You'll also see here topics or categories in Classwork. If you have a question about a certain topic, you can comment directly under the question or material. You have the option to directly go to Google Meet, Google Calendar, and the Google Drive folder at the top right side of the Classwork tab. Last tab is People. On this one, you'll be able to see all of the people that are included in this particular classroom. Your teachers, and your classmates. see what assignments are open in a particular subject, enter the Google Classroom. Example, Grade 1 Filipino, and go to Classwork. Click on View Your Work, which is found on the upper part of the page. You will see all the assigned, returned, which means checked by the teacher, and missing classwork. If you'd like to see the assignments in calendar mode, which can be daily, weekly, or monthly, just go back to Classwork and click on Google Calendar. Please note that quick reminders from the teacher posted on the stream will not land in the to-do list, since they are not tagged as an assignment. We recommend for you to make a physical list of reminders near your study area, or even add a task on your Google Calendar to remind you of such things. So that's about it. You now know the basics in Google Classroom. Feel free to explore the other Google applications on your own, or watch our other video tutorials to learn more from the Blue Danube IT department. Thank you and have a great day.